Welcome. This instructional video was made for you by Thorne Library staff. This video will show you how to search for and request materials through OhioLINK. OhioLINK is a consortium of academic and public libraries in Ohio, which allows us to share materials. You can request materials from other libraries and have them sent here for you to use. To access OhioLINK, first go to the library's homepage by typing library.mvnu.edu into the browser. You can utilize Search Everything to search through all of our resources, or you can click on the Search the OhioLINK Catalog icon in the middle of the page. If you already know what book, media, or periodical you need, use the appropriate search tab. If you want to search by ISBN, choose the Other Numbers tab and type the ISBN number. For example, if you want a copy of The Book Thief, change the search to title and type Book Thief. Choose one of the links that most likely matches the item you're looking for. Choose an item from the list. Click on the title to find out more information about that particular item. This page will show you more information about the item, such as publication information, subject terms, and the libraries who own a copy. As long as one copy has a status of available, you should be able to request it. Once you find an item you want, click on the green Request button. Find Mount Vernon Nazar in the drop-down list. Click on the Submit Above Information button. Enter your name and university ID number, then select where you would like to pick up your item. The MVNU campus is the default, but you can choose to pick it up at any OhioLINK location. Then click Submit. The next page will tell you that your request was successful and where your copy is coming from. Click on the Regular Display or Start Over button to continue your search, or the Log Off link to leave the catalog. If you have any questions or comments, please contact the Thorne Library staff by emailing us at library@mvnu.edu and follow us on social media to receive important updates. Thank you. If you have any questions or comments, please contact the Thornberry